First rates on your screen, 54 points up for the Nifty spot, which means we are at 54.31 for Nifty spot, and Nifty futures, since they are trading at a premium, I'm sure Nifty futures are already above 54.50. That is the Sensex for you. Good start there as well. 196 points up for the Sensex. Where are Nifty futures? Because yesterday Nifty futures did manage to close at a 50-point premium, so almost 5,500 for Nifty futures. Now let's check on ONGC. The floor price has been fixed. The e-auction starts on 1st of March. The floor price has been fixed at 290 and it is now already trading at a premium. This is liquidity, or the magic of liquidity. Now let's look at banks. Banks have been the most important block of this year's market rally. They have the highest representation on the Sensex and on the Nifty. So ICICI Bank flat 914 rupees. The State Bank of India on Tuesday appreciated by a good solid 100 rupees, and HDFC Bank is also looking strong. But the real leader, the real propeller is State Bank of India. It has appreciated by a good solid 180 rupees in a matter of just 24 hours. Now let's check in on metals. Globally, metal prices have appreciated. Locally, metal prices have stabilized, and for market watchers, metal stocks today are bouncing back. 467 for Tata Steel, 115 plus for Sterlite Industries, and Hindalco is almost at 159 rupees. And now let's check in on IT stocks. If risk is coming back, defensives, they will underperform. So IT has been a marked underperformer this year, and today also IT is not keeping pace with the rest of the key sectors. Aisha?
It's a gap-up start for ONGC, and you really can't take your eyes away from that one. A good 4% bump up on ONGC this morning, and there you go, 3.5% up in the green, 290 plus levels on ONGC. I want to see what TCS is up to. Remember that as well. Is the stock in focus this morning? It's backed a contract from South Africa's Net Group Insurance Company, and TCS is currently up by about 0.5%. Orchid Chemical as well, wherein they've redeemed the outstanding FCCBs to the tune of about $167 million. So Orchid Chem as well starts off well in the green, actually, up a good 2%, 190 plus levels is what you're seeing on Orchid Chemicals. HDIL, and they're now planning to ease off their debt by selling land parcels, and this time around they are looking to clear over 4,000 crore rupees of debt. That is what the Economic Times is reporting this morning, and HDIL would come up for you on your screens. Remember, this is one stock which has been showing you traction as well for the past couple of trading sessions. Another 2% put in the green, and now HDIL is well into a triple-digit zone for itself. 11.15 is where the stock is. KFA, they're hoping for a $500 to $600 million equity infusion as well. That is what the newspaper reports are indicating this morning. And also, the lenders for KFA are going to be meeting today. So all eyes on KFA, and the news flow really from this particular company, up about 2.5% for this one. SR Oil, wherein the insurance claim of 3,013 crore rupees has been declined by the tribunal. That is one stock which is in focus, as is the case with IOC as well. Let's see what IOC is up to. And actually, while we're checking IOC, let's see what BPCL as well is up to, and whether or not the traction in the entire OMC basket continues. So IOC up 0.5%, and BPCL as well is looking good by 1% in the green.